Your 2 minutes are very valuable. If you give the 2 minutes, you can learn self-defense. In today's video, we are going to teach you a very powerful technique. This can often happen to you in a fight in the street. If someone strangles you during a fight, like this way. After trying many techniques, only one technique has worked, which we will show you now. So let's start the video. If someone grab you in this position, then what should you do here? Right now he is holding my throat loosely. If he tightly grab tightly, you can see I'm not working any of my method. You can see my hands are not working properly. Right, left, pushing down, not working anywhere. In this situation, either you hit him where you can hit him, or you can use the technique where your hand grab him. Now we apply the techniques and see this work or not. Yes. I grabbed his shirt and pulled it hard, and his shirt got stuck around his neck. Now you can press his neck with your other hand. Now he is fully under your control. So guys, this is the technique that is working currently in this situation. Because in this situation your breathing stops and you are not able to do any technique. There are also many questions in this technique which we are clearing for you now. Most people ask question what you can do if he is shirtless. There are two options. Either you can grab his hair and pull it tightly. If does not have hair, then you can grab his ear tightly. So let's show you grab tightly. Now grab his hair like this way and pull it hard. Now if does not have any hair, then you will grab his ear tightly like this. This is very effective, all of these. Guys, now I will show you this technique in reality. He will grab me and he will use his full strength and I will try to do this technique. Let's see it's work or not. Yes, grab tightly. Technique number 2. Yes, grab tightly. This is the very best technique. Guys, please share our video with your friends and support our channel and subscribe our channel. If you are new in our channel, then press the bell icon if you want to learn martial art tricks and self-defense techniques. So share our video, press the like button, do comment. Thank you.